Hey friends, if you wish to fix the BCrypt hash error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions, and the resolutions have been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, and a few people have found the resolution with it, so we will stick to it. Now they say that search for the BCrypt file. I say that it is better to simply reinstall the program if it doesn't work. But first of all, try updating Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The second solution is to run a malware scan, and Windows Defender is sufficient for that. Now, why did we update Windows? Because I want to install the latest security updates, and only once we install the latest security updates, we can be confident that running a Windows Defender malware scan will be helpful. So, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Then go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan Options, select Full Scan, and click on Scan Now. The last option will be to reinstall the program, but before that, obviously a malware scan is important, because if a malware is infecting your system, which is the most common reason behind this error, then reinstalling the program will not help. So before reinstalling the program, run a malware scan and then reinstall the program. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then you can arrange it by a date installed. And then let's say that Adobe Acrobat was a problematic app. Click on it, uninstall, uninstall once again, and click on yes and wait for it to uninstall. And this will need a few seconds. Meanwhile, open the Microsoft Store. Check if the app is available on the Microsoft Store, which is always in preference. And if it is available on the Microsoft Store, then you can install it directly from the Microsoft Store. Okay, like here it is. So simply click on install, but after uninstalling it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.